Binok nga namin sa Klook, tapos you may use my code. Ayan, sige. Mas sagasaan pa ako, di ba? Good morning, guys! So, I'm buying a Rimowa. Ano, kaya pa ba? Good morning, guys! So, we're having breakfast here in McDonald's. Dito po kami nakasilong lahat. Kasi kami pambayad ng payong. Good morning, guys! So, we are already here at the airport. So, we're flying to Nagoya. Nag-lounge na ako kanina. Kailangan sobrang daming tao. Kaya hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. I'm flying with Cathay Pacific. So, I have a layover at Hong Kong International Airport for like an hour. And then I'll just change gate going to Nagoya. It's sort of like a solo travel kasi I will be meeting my friends in the next couple of days pa. So, I'm planning to move around by myself. Good luck to me. And hopefully, hindi naman tayo mawala. So, right now, we're just waiting for boarding. Tapos, ayun, we'll fly na. Hey guys, we arrived here in Tokyo. So, nandito ako ngayon sa Nagoya Airport. So, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina sa Hong Kong kasi sobrang bilis lang nung layover ko doon. Tapos, I need to run for coffee. Tapos, dumiretso na kagad ako sa boarding gate. Like, less than an hour, everything happened. So, mabilis lang. So, ngayon nandito na tayo. Nakapag-immigration na ako. Tapos, nakapag-customs na rin ako. So, you need to make sure that you fill out the arrival form ng Japan kasi importante siya, ini-scan lang yung QR code doon. And then after that, mabilis lang naman yung siguro less lang din yung tao ngayon. Parang 2 flights lang naman kami dumating. Then I got my luggage already. And then after that, paglabas ko, nag-withdraw na rin ako ng cash. I use GCash card, Visa. So I think merong 220 yen na service fee, pero I think okay na rin yun para at least hindi hassle. So right now, I'll just go to the train station kasi I booked the transfers through Klook. Yung train lang naman, 375 lang siya. So that brings you from airport going to the city itself. So, I think sa Sasaki station ata ako dapat. Instant QR code na siya, so I don't need to like buy the tickets pa. So, I think sulit na yon, okay na rin yon kasi ako lang naman mag-isa. So, yeah, sige, punta na ako, baka masaruduhan tayo ng train. I think it's already around 9:30 p.m. dito. And the train's siguro closed at around 12 midnight. So, yeah, tara. So, paglabas nyo, makita nyo na kagad naman to upon departure. So, earlier, nag-arrive pala ako sa Terminal 1. So, pupunta tayo dito, papunta sa train. Let's go! Hi guys! I'm now check-in at Coco Hotel in Nagoya, particularly in Sake. Sakae ata yun. So, tara, room tour ko kayo. Actually, kala mo naman ang daming room tour dito, pero sobrang liit lang ng room. Pero I'll just be staying here for a night. So, tara, room tour ko kayo. So, pagpasok mo, ganyan lang siya kaliit. Typical Japan hotel room. So, ito yung bed. Ako lang naman magsistay dito because ako nga lang talaga. Tapos, ayan, nakuha ko kasi smoking room, pero I don't mind naman kasi one night lang naman ako here. Tapos, babalik naman kami. Tapos, eto here, nandito yung mga cups that you can use. Tapos, may heater din ng water. Tapos, may lalagyanan ng ice. Tapos, mga baso and all. Tapos, ito yung view natin. Ayan. Okay naman siya. It didn't make justice, pero okay naman siya. Tapos over here, may TV, tapos may dresser, tapos may phone, and then may cabinet ulit here. Tapos nandito naman may mga hanger, tapos may fabric and room freshener. And then may panglinis ng shoes, may pangsuot ng shoes, merong slippers, tapos I think pang pang plancha, if I'm not mistaken. Yan. And then over naman here, sa ilalim, merong mini ref. Ayan. Punta naman tayo sa toilet. So, pretty spacious yung toilet nila. Ayan. So, malaki yung toilet. Maluwag, in all fairness. Tapos, may mini bathtub. Mas malaking bathtub. And, ayan. Tapos, may towels na rin. And then, may toiletries and blower. Pretty much okay naman yung room. I'll just be staying here for a night because tomorrow I'll be going to Osaka naman. It's just an hour Shinkansen ride. So nabuko na naman yun. Through Klook, you may use my code kung pupunta kayo or for any Klook activities. So ngayon, I'll just be baba lang ako, mag-dinner, bili ng mga food sa kombini. Tapos siguro magre-rest na kasi sobrang it was a long day. Good morning, guys. We are here in Yoshinoya, so I'm having their sukiyaki. Favorite ko talaga to here. So, nandito kami ngayon sa parang koi pond. And grabe, ang bubusog ng mga kois here. Tapos, iba-iba yung color niya. Parang, look at this. Here, there are like yellow. Yung mga yellow. Tapos, meron din yung black. Tapos, ito mga beshies, There they go. Love it. Hi guys! So we're doing the Shirakawa Go tour. So we booked this through Klook. You may use my code to get some discount. So basically, Shirakawa Go is in Gifu Prefecture. So it's a small prefecture here in Japan. Tapos may mga UNESCO heritage sites na pupuntahan. So 3 stops yun. So now we are in the first stop, which is the Guchuhachiman. So it's a small community. Tapos maraming streams of water. And then ang ganda ng views. So pakita ko sa inyo later. Hi guys! So this is the second stop of our tour. This is Takayama. So it's also a small town. Para siyang katumba siya ng parang Kyoto. So dito rin kami magla-lunch at gutom na kami. So we'll just go around and see this small city. Small city, small town. Let's go. So you're having Hida beef. So this is sort of like the Kobe beef. It's half lean meat, mabushi, and then half of Hida beef mabushi. This set is 3,000 yen. And in fairness naman, it's big. The serving is big. Tapos, ayan. Let's eat. So ito yung beef niya. Look. Here. It's tender, tapos flavorful. It's good. Very nice. Chop. This is Shirakawa. This is the rice cake delicacy that they have. Let's try it. It's savory. Akala ko matamis. Hindi masyadong masarap. So hi guys! So this is the third stop of our Shirakawa Go tour, which is the Shirakawa Go. Ito yung highlight talaga ng tour that we have. However, it's quite rainy, it's quite drizzling. So medyo kailangan maghanap ng mga possible na pwede mong silungan from time to time. So Shirakawa Go is a UNESCO heritage spot here in Japan. Ito yung isa sa mga pinupuntahan talaga dito. It's quite far, but technically, it's okay. Ayan, malakas na ulan. Wait lang, kailangan pa sumilong. So, kasalukuyan pong umuulan here. At nandito po kami nakasilong lahat. Kasi kami pambayad ng payong. Guys, this is Shirakawa Go. Super ganda. As in, super ganda. Like, lahat ng autumn colors are here. Tapos, I think maganda din to pag winter. Kaya lang umulan, kaya medyo foggy, but it's good. Hi guys, we're having dinner here at Caesarea. So, what I got was vongole, tapos may hamburg steak, chicken, gratin, tsaka shrimps. Sila, double chicken and pasta, and then chicken and pasta.
With meat sauce.
With a lot of sauce.
Meat sauce.
Meat sauce.
And chicken.
8 pieces. 2 orders to be exact.
Yes, 2 orders.
Itadakimasu. This is their vongole. Her favorite yung vongole nila. There's their hamburg steak. There's chicken. Sana may Caesarea din sa Pilipinas.
Not as cheap, kung meron.
Piling ko rin, with the ingredients. Morning guys! So we're having breakfast here in McDonald's. So I'm having McGriddle and then 5 pieces of chicken nuggets. 5 pieces lang yung nuggets dito. Hindi 6. And then I am having some mustard sauce. So yung McGriddle pala, para siyang pancake yung ibabaw. Tapos may egg and sausage. So, ayan, kasama ko yung mga kasama ko today. Kasi sabi nga ni Matt, hindi ko daw kayo sinasama sa mga vlog ko. Ay, kain lang kami. We are here at Village Coffee. So, I'm having the Ethiopia Gojima Masina. This is a pour-over. The taste notes would be orange, black tea, brown sugar, and it's silky and clear. Try it. It's good. Good coffee. Ano lang siya, very subtle and yeah, not too bad. This is for like 800. Ganda nung lalagyan na nila ng coffee. So I'm buying a Rimowa. So this is my dream luggage. So, Waldas. Sige, budol. call me whatever. So this is the Trunk Plus. So gusto ko na to ever since almost lahat na ng, I mean, both of my two luggage are medyo worn out na siya. So I think deserve naman after quite a while. And nagta-travel naman tayo ng madalas eh. So, yeah. Hello guys, we're having lunch. Nandito kami sa Mitsue Outlet Park. Tapos, we're having katsu. Ano ulit name? Mitsukatsu Yabaton. So, famous katsu daw ito here in Nagoya. So, let's go. Let's try. So, yung kinukong set is worth like 2,000 yen. So, try natin. So, two kinds of katsu siya. So, there's one who is like soaked in like miso sauce.
Opo. Halo ang inubahan.
Medyo fatty siya. Tapos ito yung normal lang na katsu with different sauce. Kaya mas gusto ko yung hindi pa masyadong soak dun sa sauce, no?
Buti pala hindi ko Jessica ko para
Kain muna tayo. Hello guys, we're here in Nagashima Resort. There's an illumination something. So ito yung maraming mga Christmas lights. I think it's an experience na parang alam niyo yung Team Lab because I tried that in Osaka. So parang ganito siya. So maraming lights, maraming mga parang nasa garden. So you get to enjoy yung colors ng trees and all. So medyo malamig lang, to be honest. Malamig kaming lahat dito. But, technically, okay naman siya. So, para siyang garden, tapos sobrang makulay, sobrang maraming lights. So, 2,500 yung entrance, but you get 1,000 voucher that you can use sa mga restaurants or mga souvenir shops and all. So, I think pwede na rin. Okay na din siya. Ito yung Begonia Garden. It's like an indoor garden. Tapos with loads of flowers. Gaganda. Ano, kaya pa ba?
Wait lang, hintayin nyo. Mabagoan nyo ako.
Behind the scene.
So may kasama 1,000 na voucher yung entrance dito. So dito na kami nag-dinner. So we are having, ako, in-order ko was Hamburg steak plus sausage and rice. So that's 1,400. So magdadagdag ka na ng 400. 400. So yun. Itadakimasu. Kain muna kami.
Minimark na. Alphamart.
Iwan mo ko isang parte.
Sarap naman. Medyo maalat nga.
Alag lang. Kailangan mo sa rice.
Oo nga.
Pang rice.
Pang rice. Ohio guys! So this is technically my last full day here in Nagoya. So nag-coffee lang kami here at Ralph's Coffee while waiting for the others. Tapos, ang mahal, pero okay na for the experience. It's like a Persian vibe. Ang ganda ng seats. Tapos they also have like may pabalabal because ang lamig. May pabalabal if you need one. Ayan, ganyan. Tapos, ang view is Oasis, basta yung tower. Tapos, very Parisian vibes. It's nice. So, yon. Hintay lang namin yung coffee namin. And then, yun na. Oo. 11 pa nagbubukas. Good.
Open mo mustard.
Hi guys, we are now here in Nagoya Castle. So, it's merong train na station very near here. Tapos, few minutes walk lang going here. So, may 500 yen na entrance. And then you will see the Nagoya Castle. So, basically, yung Nagoya Castle kasi is closed. Hindi ka makakapasok. But there are many castles sa harap that you can get inside and check out the castle. Hello guys! So I'm having my last dinner here in Nagoya. So I'm having tsukemen and wagyu rice. So excited ako kasi nakita ko lang to kanina when I was like walking. Tapos sabi ko, looks promising eh. Dapat ramen, pero nakita ko may tsukemen. So I am for it. So let's go. So this is the tsukemen, the dipping noodles. Ito yung pagdidipan mo. And then I got the wagyu rice. So lalagyan natin siya ng egg. Yung mga egg lang dito sa ibabaw. Tapos meron ding seaweeds. If you like, dito lang siya. Let's go. Grabe, ang sarap ng dinner ko. Tapos it's like 1,500 yen lang. So that's roughly like 600 to 700 pesos lang siya. I got the tsukemen. Tapos nagdagdag ako ng wagyu rice. I'm super full. But it's really good, you know, to cap off the last night here in Nagoya. So I'll just go to my friends, tapos nasa Donki pa daw sila. So puntahan ko muna sila doon. Tapos last minute packing, nakapag-pack na naman ako last night. So I'll just add yung mga pinamili and all. And then that's it. It was a good vacation. So hi guys, so I'm already here at the airport. Nag-train lang ako. I got the first ever train. First ever talaga. I got the first train from Sakae to Kanayama. And then Kanayama to airport. So, kwento ko lang. So, ang saya ko kasi like 25 minutes lang from Kanayama to airport yung second train. Tapos sabi ko parang may kakaiba kasi parang reserve seating pala siya. Tapos napaalis pa ako kasi parang 2 stops lang. So paalis pa ako nung isang parang sumakay kasi nga parang reserve seats nga. So lipat ako ng seats. Tapos after nun, dito may lumapit na nga sa akin na sabi I need to pay additional 500 yen daw for the train ride. So, nagbayad na lang ako ng 500. Akala ko mababagansya na ako. But anyway, mag-check-in na ako kasi kanina close pa yung check-in counter. So, medyo maaga kasi ako. Hindi uso dito 3 hours kasi mabilis lang yung mga tao dito. Sarado pa yung check-in counter. So, punta na ako dito after nito. And then, yeah. I think I need to end my vlog here. Salamat sa pagsama sa akin with my Nagoya and Osaka trip. So please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell para updated kayo lagi. Follow my TikTok, Instagram and Facebook, Jorel Rendon and Jorel Rendon Eats. So, hope nag-enjoy kayo. Yun lang. Bye-bye. See you in Manila.